Hey everybody, I'm Jane.
And Mike.
We're from Earth Care Farm. Many parents give them gifts. I got this amazing gift of this half acre of rhubarb. Thanks, Poppy.
Well, it's a perennial. You're stuck with it.
Thank you. And the beautiful thing about rhubarb is it just continues to give for many, many years. And this is an example of a plant that has given so much. It is time now for me to actually divide the plant. I don't know if we can kind of see in here. It is late March, and these little crowns, we call them, are just coming out of the ground. And this is massive. You can see my hand. This is huge. So I'm going to show you what we do, which is similar to many, many perennials. I go around the whole edge. It's a good workout.
It's so massive because of the soil.
Yeah. Thanks for that. That's the biggest gift I could have ever been given. And doesn't get better than this. So this plant is so huge, we're probably going to make about 7 or 8 different rhubarb plants out of this, which we do sell some of here. I think I might do half of it just to show you so you don't get bored. But what I will do is go all the way around. Then I'm going to be dividing the plant where there's a good set of crowns coming up. So for this one, I'm actually going to take this piece. Then I'll take this piece. Then I'll take this piece. You can see how I'm going to end up with 7 or 8 different plants in the end. And I want to actually get one out so you can see what the roots look like. But I have a gardening service too. And this time of year we'll do this with hostas and astilbe and lilies and all kinds of things. You can do this with plants. It seems scary, but it's kind of like a haircut, honestly.
This entire field came from 2 plants that have been divided over 40 years.
And I gotta say, I love this spade. A heavy, heavy spade. Nice to have. Okay. So I got this piece out. What I want you to notice, this weighs probably like 30 pounds, maybe 40 pounds. Amazing roots. Beautiful black soil. That's what's feeding these guys. And the roots actually go down really deep. We did get a good hunk of it. And this will bring your garden a lot of joy for a long time if it ends up in it. 40 years, hopefully.
Yeah. You can just harvest and harvest and harvest rhubarb, but it needs to be divided. But this is a massive plant, so it's going to be happy to be divided.
We've tried dividing different times of year. This seems to be the one that takes the best this time of year.
Yeah.
So again, you'll notice we keep everything covered. We don't like our ground to be bare. So where we don't have plants coming up yet, we put some type of mulch down, whether that's leaves or straw.
So this is a good time of year to divide because it's very hard to do when it's actively growing.
Ooh, I can't wait to show you guys this in June when the plants are this big.
The leaves are like elephant ears.
Yeah. All right, I think we covered it.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.